Hello students, welcome to the class. You must be aware that today computers have become pervasive in our lives, and it is difficult to imagine our lives without computer and its associated devices. From engineers to doctors, scholars, instructors, government organizations, all of them use computers to perform specific tasks. Computers are a part and parcel of our life now and have made our life much easier, simpler, efficient and productive. Information technology has taken industries and businesses to a whole new level. In this chapter, we will discuss some of the uses of computers in various fields. Major fields covered in this chapter are home, business, education, healthcare, e-governance, e-commerce, banking and traveling. Starting with the use of computers at home. Today, computers are being used at home for various purposes. Few examples are entertainment. Computers can be used to watch television programs, movies, listening music, play computer games, to watch live streaming videos and doing many other activities meant for entertainment and recreation. People can find entertainment on the internet. Many computer games and other entertainment stuff is available for downloading on the internet. Computer games are a great source of entertainment and recreation. Many games are available that are specially developed to improve your mental aptitude and intellectual power. You can even watch live matches on the internet. Social media. People use social media tools to chat, audio as well as video with friends and family. Applications like Skype are popular for video chatting. You can interact with friends over social media websites like Facebook, Twitter and Google+. You can also share photos and videos with friends and information. People can take help of internet to enhance skills and knowledge. You can find any type of information on the internet. There are educational and informative websites available to read or download content, books, tutorials and relevant documents to improve knowledge and learn new things. Also, you can compare many products and services online before you make a decision regarding buying a product or service. For example, you can compare various insurance policies through policybazaar.com. Housewives can even find many new recipes online and subscribe to cookery channels as well. Personal finance management. Computer can be used to manage personal finance or budget tracking. You can easily analyze your expenses and income. You can list all your expenses and income in a computer and apply any calculation on these to plan your personal finances. Basic calculations can be done using Microsoft Excel, which we will study later in this course. Specialized softwares are also available that can manage your income and expenses and generate some really useful reports. School college homework. Children use computers to create documents, Excel worksheets, PowerPoint presentations and access internet to complete school or college assignments and projects. Working from home. Using a personal computer or laptop, people can manage the office work at home. This is a common practice in many IT companies nowadays. Today, many people are even working as freelancers by registering with some online websites like www.elance.com, www.freelancer.com, www.getacoder.com, etc. Use of computers in business. Computers have high speed of calculation, diligence, accuracy, reliability and versatility, which has made it an integral part in business world. The administrative paperwork is also reduced by using computers. In the competitive world, it is very essential to leverage computer automation to increase office efficiency and productivity. Today, computer applications are helping to lower cost of doing businesses and increase customer satisfaction. There are many sophisticated industry-specific office automation products available in the market that can be used by business. Communication. This is an important aspect of business where computer applications like emails, instant messaging, contact system, VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol, video chats, etc. are being leveraged for communication among various stakeholders like employees, customers, vendors, and management. Companies can use applications such as Outlook to manage official mail, track events, and help employees schedule meetings. Skype, Google Hangouts, and similar programs give you the ability to hold remote chats and video meetings with people across the globe. These communication platforms also work on smartphones and tablets. Advanced computerized IVR, that is interactive voice responses systems, facilitate automated support, and a virtual operator can quickly direct callers to the correct department for faster support. Sales and marketing. Computer applications allow businesses to plan, implement, track, and report sales and marketing activities. Websites are created. Digital ads and campaigns are launched with the help of software. From creating ad campaigns to tracking campaigns, contacting consumers, collecting and analyzing data, everything is done using specialized tool and software. Digital marketing is a common term that means targeted, quantifiable and interactive marketing of products or services using digital technologies to reach and convert leads into customers and retain them. The key objective is to promote brands, build preference, and increase sales through various digital marketing techniques and channels. This mainly uses the internet as a core promotional medium. In addition to mobile and traditional TV and radio, few of online channels used are affiliate marketing, display advertising, email marketing, search marketing, social media, social networking, game advertising, and video advertising. Finance and HR. Companies typically uses ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning packages to handle automated finance and HR functions. These packages takes care of all important functions like financial accounting, general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, taxation, asset accounting, payroll, recruitment, benefits, performance and appraisals, etc. HR applications also provide facility to HR managers to generate reports that profile specific employees. In addition to finance and HR, ERP also comes with sales, planning, inventory, operations, administration, etc. modules. Education and training. Businesses use computers to train and educate employees on processes, technical subjects, business subjects, company policies, standard procedures, and safety. Computers are used to educate and train employees, leveraging e-learning platform and e-content, where employees can plan training themselves and learn on their own pace. These are supported by online assessments and learners are immediately certified. Stock exchanges. Stock exchange is an important place for businessmen. Various stock exchanges use computers to conduct bid process. The stockbrokers execute all trading activities electronically. They connect with the computer where brokers match the buyers with sellers. It reduces cost as no paper or special office setup is required to conduct these activities. Use of computers in education. Computers have completely transformed education sector and has opened many avenues for imparting education. Smart classes. Today, traditional classrooms are being converted to modern smart classes. Teachers are using interactive media, images, videos, animations, presentations, simulated learning and smart content to teach students. This helps students understand the concepts and retain the knowledge for a long time. Additionally, school ERPs are used to track activities and performance of teachers and students, generate automated scorecards and analyze performance at different levels and help in school administration activities. Online education. In addition to strengthening traditional education system, computers are helping in creating a new education paradigm, online education, of pursuing educational certificate, diploma and degree courses. MOOCs or Massive Open Online Courses have made access to top university level content for every learner possible. By providing free online courses on demand, MOOCs enable learners to learn from anywhere irrespective of their situation as long as they have internet access. MOOC websites like edX, Coursera, Udemy, etc. are offering many courses through their websites, either free of cost or at a very affordable cost. Students can use online mode to pursue a course, degree or training sitting at home with the help of a computer and internet connection. Online education system offers several benefits to the students which they can't avail in traditional education system. The students can learn new skills at their own pace, anytime and at any place. Training materials are interactive and easy to learn. It is very cost-effective way to train a large number of students. This is the reason why millions of people are following online education today, and this count is increasing day by day. As a part of providing quality and affordable education to its students, Indian government has also recently launched an Indian-focused MOOC platform for all. This MOOC platform is termed as SWAYAM, that is, Study Webs of Active Learning for Youth Aspiring Minds. Websites like Khan Academy and lynda.com are also offering comprehensive online training resources. Online examination. The trend of online examination is becoming popular. Different examination like GRE, GMAT and SET are conducted online all over the world. The questions are marked by computer. It minimizes the chances of mistakes. It also enables to announce the result in time. Digital library. School books and contents are digitized and provided to students in e-book, that is soft copy form. Magazines, journals, brochures and articles have become online, making it convenient for students to access it anywhere, anytime over the internet. Libraries are being automated for maintaining, issuing and return records and list of all articles in the library. Research and projects. Computers help students in their project and research works. Today, most of the content, data and knowledge are available online. Hence, it has become convenient for students to pursue their research and project works with ease and get ample amount of information for the same over the internet. Use of computers in healthcare. Computers have become an integral part to provide efficient, effective, accountable and transparent healthcare services. Nearly every area of the medical field uses computers. Some major fields of healthcare in which computers are used are hospital management, industry-specific and specialized software and ERP, that is, enterprise resource planning packages, are leveraged to automate hospital administration and operational activities. The software includes functionalities like online appointments, patient life cycle tracking, patient discharge, patient history, patient monitoring, and other activities related to hospital operations and administration. Hospital management systems can store data about patients. Computers are used to store data about patients, their diseases and symptoms, the medicines that are prescribed. Also, monitoring systems are installed in medical wards and intensive care units to monitor patients continuously. These systems can monitor pulse, blood pressure and body temperature and can alert medical staff about any serious situations. Medical labs. Running tests such as blood, urine, tissues, fluids, etc. have become automated to improve accuracy and sanctity of medical tests. There are automated machines available that can execute medical tests faster with accuracy at mass level. Now, there are instruments available that can help measure and monitor health at home. For example, there are digital blood pressure and diabetes monitoring instruments available in the market that one can conveniently use to track health. Surgery. Advanced machines have been designed with help from computers for minimally invasive surgeries. These surgeries cut a small incision and then place a small surgical tool with an attached camera inside the patient's body. This makes it less likely that a patient will suffer complications from a larger surgical wound, and it helps minimize damage done to the body. Most of these minimally invasive tools use computers to drive the tools and to relay images from inside the patient's body out to the doctors. Computerized robotics allows doctors to perform surgery on patients without even being in the same room. These computer-controlled surgeries allow doctors to save the lives of patients many miles away, which may not have been possible otherwise. Video networking and real-time vital statistic monitoring allow for safe, precise surgeries that are observed by on-staff doctors or students. Telemedicine is the use of telecommunication and information technologies in order to provide clinical healthcare at a distance. It helps eliminate distance barriers and can improve access to medical services that would often not be consistently available in distant rural communities. It is also used to save lives in critical care and emergency situations. Early forms of telemedicine achieved with telephone and radio have been supplemented with video telephony, advanced diagnostic methods supported by distributed client or service applications, and additionally with telemedical devices to support in-home care. Computers are being broadly utilized in the radiology realm of healthcare. Technology advancements have led to more sophisticated ways of taking X-rays and performing imaging services. Computers allow radiologists and technicians to study and print the final images. A variety of softwares are used to investigate symptoms and prescribe medication accordingly. Sophisticated systems are used for tests like CT scan, ECG, and other medical tests. X-rays and CT scans, that is, computed tomography scans, use radiation to produce images of a patient's internal structure to search for abnormalities. X-rays allow for viewing of the internal structure of the patient from one perspective. CT scanning, on the other hand, uses computer technology to take several X-ray images that are two-dimensional cross-sections and turn them into a multi-dimensional picture that doctors use to make a diagnosis. These single X-rays are combined using computer programs that precisely reconstruct the internal structure of the patient. Magnetic resonance imaging, more commonly known as MRI, is the process of using powerful magnetic fields to map the patient's internal structure and activity. MRI is used to produce detailed images of soft tissues in the body without using radiation. The bioelectrical activity in the body is detected by the MRI machine and fed to a computer that interprets the structure of the area being scanned and presents a three-dimensional presentation of electrical activity in the region. This allows doctors to search for physical and operational defects in patients without invasive surgery. Pharma Information System. Computers can check drug labels, expiry dates, harmful drug side effects, etc. Use of computers in eGovernance. Today, governments worldwide are leveraging computers to create a better ecosystem for effective e-governance. E-governance is the application of information and communication technology, that is ICT, for delivering government services, exchange of information communication transactions, integration of various standalone systems and services between government to citizens, that is G2C, government to business, that is G2B, government to employees, that is G2E, government to government, that is G2G, as well as back office processes and interactions within the entire government framework. Through e-governance, government services are offered to citizens in an efficient, accountable, faster and transparent manner. In recent years, due to technological advancements, computerization, internet connectivity availability, central and state governments in India have pushed large number of e-governance initiatives. Government to citizens. Some examples of government to citizen e-governance initiatives are Railways Inquiry and Reservation System www.irctc.co.in. IRCTC, that is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, is pioneer in e-governance and has designed and implemented one of the most complex online reservation systems for its passengers. Through IRCTC website, users can plan, book, cancel tickets and get regular updates on SMS and emails. Passport Seva Project. www.passportindia.gov.in. The Passport Seva project is transforming passport and related services in India to provide a best-in-class experience to Indian citizens. This is enabling Indian government to deliver passport services in a reliable, convenient and transparent manner within defined service levels. Aadhaar Card. uidai.gov.in. Aadhaar is a unique identification number issued to residents of India by the Unique Identification Authority of India, that is UIDAI. The UIDAI will maintain a database of residents containing biometric, demographics and other data. Central and state governments in India are using Aadhaar to improve citizen services in various departments. To facilitate disbursements of government entitlements like NREGA, NREGA, Social Security Pension, etc., central or state government bodies are using Aadhaar-based authentication. PAN Card. tin.nsdl.com/PAN. Through this portal, citizens can apply for a PAN card, track status of their application, request changes in PAN card details, reprint PAN card, etc. eMitra in Rajasthan. emitra.gov.in. eMitra is an integrated project to facilitate the urban and the rural masses with maximum possible services related to different state government departments through eMitra kiosks. 200 plus services are already available to citizens through eMitra today, which include the recent Bhamasha card, utility bill payments, public grievances redressal and public information services of most of the departments and online applications for various services and government jobs. In addition, eGovernance is also being rolled out for citizens in Public Distribution System, that is PDS, providing services by local bodies and municipalities, Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System, CCTNS, modernizing panchayats and districts, education and healthcare, especially in schools, colleges and hospitals, National Land Records Modernization Program, Digital Locker for each and every citizen, etc. Government to business. E-procurement. Central and many state governments, in Rajasthan it is eproc.rajasthan.gov.in, have initiated procurement through e-procurement system. This not only reduces cost and effort for all stakeholders, but also provides transparent, efficient and accountable services. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. www.mca.gov.in. The project aims at providing easy and secure online access to all registration-related services provided by the Union Ministry of Corporate Affairs to corporates and other stakeholders at any time and in a manner that best suits them. Uses of computer in e-commerce. Online stores are usually available 24 hours a day. Hence, it makes online shopping very convenient in addition to other advantages. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce, that is e-commerce, which permits consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. Mobile commerce or m-commerce describes purchasing from an online retailer's mobile optimized online site or app, that is application. Online customers have must access to the internet and a valid method of payment in order to complete a transaction. Consumers find a product of interest by visiting the website of the retailer directly or by searching among alternative vendors using a shopping search engine. Once a particular product has been found on the website of the seller, most online retailers use shopping cart software to allow the consumer to accumulate multiple items and to adjust quantities, like filling a physical shopping cart or basket in a conventional store. A checkout process follows, in which payment and delivery information is collected if necessary. Some stores allow consumers to sign up for a permanent online account so that some or all of this information only needs to be entered once. The consumer often receives an email confirmation once the transaction is complete. Online shopping sites generally allow net banking, credit card, debit card and cash on delivery, that is COD payment methods. Some popular online shopping sites are Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, eBay, Paytm for all products, Jabong and Myntra for lifestyle and fashion products, Pepperfry, Urban Ladder for furniture, FirstCry, Baby OA etc. for baby needs. Uses of computer in banking. Banking industry has completely transformed with IT revolution. Now, computers are widely used in banks. They are used in banks for record keeping and maintaining accounts of customers. Most of the banks provide the facility of ATMs. The customers can draw money through ATM card from any branch of that bank or another bank at any time of a day. Internet banking is an electronic payment system that allows customers of financial institutions like banks, insurance companies, financial brokers, etc. to conduct financial transactions. For example, transferring payment to accounts, paying utility bills, paying insurance premium, bank statements, etc. on a website operated by the institution, such as a retail bank, virtual bank, credit union or building society. This is also referred as internet banking, that is net banking, e-banking, virtual banking, etc. Almost all banks and financial institutions provide online banking facilities to its customers. To access internet banking, a customer will need to register with the financial institutions and receive credentials. These typically include user ID, password and other credentials for customer verifications. Today, financial institutions use OTP, that is, one-time password sent on customer's registered mobile number, as one of the additional security credentials to make transactions safe and secure in addition to using a secure website. To access internet banking, a customer will need to access secured website of the financial institutions, provide required credentials and access all required services. Generally, these financial institutions send SMS and emails on the transactions carried out by customers. Generally, customers can perform following activities using internet banking: viewing account balance, viewing recent transactions, that is mini and full statements, and download statements in multiple formats like Excel, PDF, etc. Services like ordering checkbooks, updating profile, viewing checks, etc. Uses of computer in traveling. Traveling by road, by bus, by train or flight begins with online booking on the computer. Indian Railways, aviation companies like SpiceJet, Air India, Indigo, Jet Airways, state roadways like RSRTC, and even private bus service providers, everyone have developed their websites that let people plan trips using their services. You can enter the date of departure and return and the destination, and the computer screen will display ticket prices, itineraries, and offer the option to book and pay for the trip right online with the chosen payment method. Booking websites provide end-to-end facilities right from planning trip to book tickets, book accommodation, routes, transportation, meals and everything that can make travel convenient and enjoyable. Now, we will understand the process of IRCTC ticket booking through this conversation between Ramesh and Suresh. Hey Suresh, I need to book train tickets for my parents immediately, but I have not done it before. Could you please help me out? Yes Ramesh, sure. Give me your laptop, I will show you how to do it. First of all, tell me whether you have registered yourself on IRCTC website or not. No Suresh. Oh, okay, let's visit www.irctc.co.in and make an account first using the sign up button available on homepage. IRCTC does not allow ticket booking without registration, while for many other websites, registration is not mandatory now. Now, let's enter all the required details and submit for creating user details. I hope it will not take much time. Yes, just 2 minutes and we are done. Great. Let's log in using user ID created just now. This is the welcome screen. Now tell me your journey details. I need to book tickets to and fro from Jaipur to Udaipur for 21st and 25th of this month. Okay, wait. We will have to book an e-ticket for one side first and return journey has to be booked later. But I heard that it can be done together. Yes, many airlines websites offer to and fro ticket booking together, but IRCTC doesn't allow that. Oh, I see. Here we go. Enter journey details and click on submit. Now you can see the list of available trains on the right hand side. You can select your train as per convenient timing and seat availability. Great. Book seats in this one, Jaipur-Udaipur Superfast in sleeper class. Okay, here I click an SL class. against the train and you can see the availability status. Tickets are available. Wonderful. Book it fast. Okay, I have clicked on book now. On this next screen, we need to enter passengers' details like name, age, gender, etc. And we can even give our berth preference. Are there any concessions available? Concessions are available for some categories like senior citizens, physically handicapped, etc. I have entered uncle and auntie's details. Now let's click on next and proceed for payment. You can verify the journey details and availability status once before proceeding. Yes, everything seems perfect. Okay, you can choose your payment method now. You can opt for credit card or debit card or internet banking or wallets like Paytm, Mobivic, etc. I will go with internet banking using State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur. Okay, enter your login details here and it will redirect back to the IRCTC website after successful payment and we will get SMS detailing the PNR, ticket status, fare charged, etc. Yes, I got the message. Let me forward it to Papa. Thanks, dear. You are welcome, Ramesh. And now, I guess you can book return ticket on your own. Yes, I'm feeling much confident now. It was so easy. I can book tickets similarly using any website now. Even I can show it my parents now. Thanks again. So, we learnt how to book tickets using IRCTC. We will demonstrate and learn many other useful applications later in Chapter 5, Internet Applications, like video chatting, buying a product online, online movie ticket booking, online utility bill payments and recharges, etc. In short, today's uses of computer are not limited to only few areas, but it has become pervasive. It is difficult to imagine any industry or sector not leveraging computers to provide efficient services or increase productivity. Computers are also being largely used in defense as well. Modern tanks, missiles, weapons, etc. Military also employs computerized control systems. Some military areas where a computer has been used are missile control, military communication, military operation and planning, and smart weapons. Other areas of computer use include travel industry and personal travel, weather forecasting, retail and supermarkets, remote sensing, transportation, media and entertainment, design and manufacturing, service industry, airlines, aerospace, space programs, gems and jewelry, research and artificial intelligence.
Thank you.